Okay, so hello students, welcome to my video again. So on today's we'll be continuing the rest of the exercise, that is the word problems of the quadratic equations. Now in the past we have done up to 4a, okay, from the general sections. Now we are doing 4b, 5a and b. So by doing that, we'll be completing the general sections of these quadratic equations word problems. Exercise 8.4, page number 183, and just flip the page back 184. That consists of 5a questions and number b 5b 5a and b. Yes. Okay, let's get into the questions now. Now in 4b, let's try to understand the questions first. In 4b, the sum of the number and 21 times its reciprocal is 10. So we don't know the number. You have to find the number. Okay, so let that number be x. Let that number be x. Then, so by questions, it has been said that the sum of a number, so we have supposed that number x, the sum of the number and 21 times the sum of the number, this number, and 21 times its reciprocal. The reciprocal of this number will be 1 by x. This is not dot, this is multiplication. So okay, that is equals to 10. Okay, now you simplify it. Now rest is just like you did in the previous time. Yes, 21 into 1, 21 divided by x, or you can take x common. No, not x LCM. It becomes x squared plus 21 is equals to 10, or x squared plus 21 is equals to 10x. Now move all to the left hand side. X squared minus 10x plus 21 equals to 0. Now we factorize, or let's see, 21, 3 7 21. You must know how to factorize. 7 plus 3, 10, and 7 times 3, 21. Okay, now x squared minus 7x minus 3x plus 21 equals to 0. Or you take x common here, x minus 7. You take x minus 3 common, x minus 3 times 21. Okay, now you take x minus 7 common, and then after x minus 3 will be remaining inside the bracket. Okay, now you do either x minus 7 equals to 0, or x equals to 7, or x minus 3 equals to 0, or x equals to 3. So there will be two values for x, either 7 or 3. So this will be the two values for x. So this is how it is done. So now let's move to the next number, 5a. In the 5a, the product of the number of the ages of a man 5 years before and 5 years hence is 875. Find the present age of the man. So in 5a questions, let's read out once again. The product of the number of the ages of the man 5 years before and 5 years hence is 875. Find the age of the man. So if you have finished this 4b, I'm going to rub it. If you haven't, then you just take a screenshot and you can copy that later. Okay, it's not, I again suggest you not to copy, try to understand and do by yourself. Okay, so let's move on to number 5a. In number 5a, let's see. First, you have to understand the questions. The product of the number of the ages of a man. We don't know the age. We have to find the present age of the man. Let 5a. Let present age of a man be X years. So there are two conditions given. 5 years before, a man 5 years before, 5 years before, and another 5 years hence. 5 years hence means his age after 5 years. So we have considered the present age of the man X years. So what happens what happens to his age before 5 years? So suppose I am 30 years right now. My present age is 30 years right now. Then my age before 5 years, that is 25. You have to subtract 30 minus 5, that is 25. Yes. So same like that. So if a man age is present age is X years, so his years his age before 5 years becomes X is his present age, and 5 years before his age becomes X minus 5. We have to subtract 5 in this age. And what will be his age 5 year hence? Means after 5 years. So X is the present age. His age after 5 years will be, you have to add X. You have to add 5 here. Okay. Now after that, so by questions now. Now the product of the 5 years, the product of the ages of a man 5 years before and 5 years hence must be equals to 875. That is given by the question. By questions, X minus 5 times X plus 5 must be equals to the product of their ages 5 years before and 5 years hence must be equals to 875. Now we can do it. Okay, let's. Now is it in the form of a squared minus b squared? You can apply that. Minus, I'm doing directly. Okay, 5 squared means 25. 875 or X squared is equals to 875 plus 25, or X squared equals to 0, 7, 8, 9, 10, 900. Then X equals to plus minus under root 900, which is 30 years. X equals to plus minus 30 years. So the ages cannot be expressed in minus sign, so we take the positive sign. Take positive sign here. You will get the value of X 30, because the age is always in positive sign. Okay, so that's why the present, therefore the present age of the man is 30 years. This is the answer. Now let's move to the number 5b. I'll read out the questions for you and try to understand the questions. Okay, so this one, the last for this video. Okay, number 5b, you can see Gita's age is twice the age of Rita. Okay, so Gita's age is twice the age of Rita, which means that if Gita's age is the double of the Rita's age. If we consider Gita's age, if we consider Rita's age X, then the Gita's age will be double of the Rita's age. That means Gita's age will be twice X. If the product of the number of their ages is 200 and their product, their ages number, if we product them, if we multiply them, then the resultant is 200, and find the ages. So you have to find the ages of the both Gita's and Rita's age. So let's move on to this. So if you have finished this, I'm going to rub it. If you haven't, then just take a screenshot. Now 5b. Years from now, just 5b. Let their ages be so by questions, Gita's age is twice the age of Rita. Just the double of. If Rita's age is 2 years, then Gita's age will be double of the Rita. That is, it will becomes 4. If Rita's age is 6, then Gita's age will be 12. Just like that, if we consider Rita's age x, then the Gita's age will be twice x. Let their ages be let Rita's age, let Rita's age be x. Then years, then what? Then Gita's age will be just the double of Rita's age, means twice x years. Okay. Now, by question, again write according to question. By question doesn't matter. Okay, you just by questions the product of their number x times, and this is Rita's age x and Gita's age. The product of their ages must be equals to 200, or this becomes 2x squared is equals to 200, or x squared is equals to 200 divided by 2, that is 100, or x squared is equals to plus minus 100, or x mistake. Okay, so x equals to plus minus 10. Okay, so just like I explained earlier, ages cannot be expressed in minus sign, so you just negate the negative sign and just take the positive sign. You will get the value of x 10. Therefore the ages of Gita's ages will be 2x, that is 2 times x, 2 times x, that is 2 into, just substitute the value of x, 20 years. And Rita's age will be x, that is 10 years. And this is the answer. Okay, now for today's video, this much for today. Okay, so we'll be continuing on the next video also. So if you like my video, just don't forget to like, subscribe, and you forward my channel to the other your friends in a friend circle. If you find this video more helpful, please. So until then, goodbye and have a safe day.